Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to reset the change engine oil light. So what you're going to do is put the key in and turn it to accessory, that's all. And you'll see it come up over here after the battery light flashes to change the engine oil. So if you're getting that message and you've changed your oil, all you're going to do is, with the car off, we're going to pump this 3 times. It will flash and then turn off. So now when you go to start the vehicle, you don't get the message anymore. So that's how easy it is to change the change engine oil light. So as always, thanks for watching, and please check the video description. I have a playlist where I've put all the videos I've made on this truck and some other trucks, changing the transmission fluid, wheel bearings, radiators, all kinds of stuff. So please check that out, and if you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe. Thanks, guys.